This is Aubrey Berry
and Lauren Hollister,
and we're here at Andre & Son.
Let's head inside.
This is the True Value store.
Looks great. Let's go upstairs.
Welcome to the office area.
This is the conference room. Take a look.
What's a good memory that you've had here?
I talked a little bit earlier. I think what fuels my past is when you get thanks from a customer.
What do you like about working here?
Well, there is a lot. I've been here for so long now, it's like it's a small family. What do you do as the Director of Logistics and Operations?
Every fertilizer that we make there's different formulas, different versions of it. It can have an AI or it can be a straight NPK product. So once I enter it, I then calculate out all the ingredients. And then every Wednesday, I plan production. Once I have my production planned, I calculate every ingredient. And then I will then send purchase orders to my suppliers, order the product, arrange the trucking for it all to come in for production next week.
Let's take a walk down to the plant and see what's going on there.
The process begins when a front loader scoops up a bucket full of one of the needed ingredients. It drives over to a large hopper feeder where the ingredients are measured out and put on a conveyor belt. It is then sent to the mixing drum, where the different ingredients for each blend of fertilizer are mixed. Then it is sent along the conveyor belt again until it reaches a small room. Inside the room, a small machine equally loads each bag of fertilizer. This bag is then pushed onto another conveyor belt until a large robotic arm picks it up and places it on a pallet. Once the pallet is full, it is wrapped in layers of plastic.
This concludes our What's So Cool About Manufacturing video.
This has been Aubrey Berry,
And Lauren Hollister.
and that was What's So Cool About Manufacturing. Thanks for watching!